Ready to explore new streets and boost your Grubhub earnings? Here's how to switch your delivery region in a snap. First, make sure you're currently online in your Grubhub driver app. You'll want to be able to access the main driver interface where you receive offers. To change your region, you first need to go offline. Look for the prominent green Go Offline button, usually located at the top or bottom of your main driver screen, and tap it. The app will likely ask for confirmation. Simply tap Go Offline again to confirm you want to exit your current delivery session. Once you're offline, you'll be presented with your main driver dashboard. Now, let's find the region settings. Tap on the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the top left or top right corner of the screen. A sidebar menu will slide open. Scroll down through the options until you find the delivery region or a similar setting. Select the delivery region option. This is where you'll manage your active delivery areas. You'll now see a list of available delivery regions in your area. Each region might have information on demand or availability. To switch to a new region, simply tap the radio button next to the desired location you want to deliver in. The app will usually require you to confirm your choice. Tap on the confirmation button, which might say save or confirm region. And that's it. You've successfully updated your delivery region. Now you can go back online and start accepting offers in your new chosen area, potentially opening up new earning opportunities and a more flexible delivery schedule.